Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create MongoDB aggregation pipeline with sort and the project stages with Python. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I am going to create a Python virtual environment. Click View, Command Palette, click Python Create Environment, Virtual Environment. I am going to use Python 3.12.1. Virtual environment is getting created. It has been successfully created. Now we need to install pymongo.env and the certify in that environment. Let's do that. Click Terminal, New Terminal, Python -m pip install pymongo savi. So we have successfully installed DNS Python and the pymongo. Now let us install the .env. We have successfully installed that as well. Now let's install the certify. We have successfully installed that as well. Now I'm going to create a .env file where I'm going to add my connection string. I'm going to use the environment variable name as MongoDB URI. So here I'm going to put my connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. We are going to connect using the application, so click drivers. Python is already selected and already we have installed the pymongo, so copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. So now I'm going to write my aggregation code. .py. First I'm going to import OS, then I'm going to import certify, then I'm going to import prettyprint. Okay, then from pymongo I'm going to import mongo client, then from .env I'm going to import load.env. So first let's load the environment variables, then let's get the certificate path, certify.var. Okay, now let's get the connection string mongo URI equal to os.getEnv, and then we need to give the environment variable name db URI. Okay, now let's create the client, mongo client. We need to pass the mongo URI as well as the TLS CA file equal to CA. Okay, so we have got the client. So we are going to create an aggregate pipeline with the students collection, which is part of the university DB. So first let's get that client.university. Okay, students underscore equal to univdb.students. Okay, so now we are going to create a aggregate pipeline, right? First we are going to create a match query. So match query, again we are going to the match stage and then the grade equal to A. Okay, so this is my match query. So then I'm going to have my sort query. So here I'm going to use my sort stage. Okay, and I'm going to sort based on the name. Okay, then I'm going to have my project query. Okay, so here I'm going to give my project stage. Okay, so then I'm going to specify what are the fields I want. One is I need is the student ID field, so I'm going to use this one. Then I want the name, so I'm going to give it as 1. Then I want the grade, so that was also I'm going to just 1. Then I don't want the ID field, so I'm going to exclude that. Then I'm going to add a new field, which I'm going to call it as total marks. Okay, so this is going to be a sum of all the marks. Okay, so I'm going to call it as sum. Okay, so then it is going to be an array. Okay, then again it is going to be a sum, then it is going to be $mocks.eng. okay, so this is one. So then we are going to have another, again this is going to be a sum, then again it is going to be marks.lang. okay, so next again this is going to be a sum, then it's going to be $marks.max. okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so it's all good. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to create the pipeline. So pipeline is an array which match query, then sort query, then project query. Okay, so then I want to print the result, so I'm going to get the result in the result variable, then student dot aggregate, then we are going to pass the pipeline. Okay, all good. Okay, so then I'm going to print the results now. So for that I'm going to use a for loop in result. Okay, I'm going to do a pretty print, then item. Okay, all good. Then I'm going to close the client. Okay, I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to execute the program. So Python and aggregate. Okay, so as expected, we were able to successfully create an aggregation pipeline using the match, sort and project, right? So the match, it has filtered all the documents of the grade A students, and the sort, we have sorted all the documents based on the name in the alphabetical order, and using the projection we have created an output only with the fields we want, as well as we have created a new field and added that in the output. In this demo we have seen how to create a MongoDB aggregation pipeline using match, sort and the project stages in Python. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.